Do you remember you shot a seagull? A man came by chance, saw it, and destroyed it. Just a subject for a short story. But that's not it again. What was I talking about? Yes, the stage. I have changed now, Kostya. I am a real actress. When I act with enthusiasm and intense enjoyment. When I'm on the stage, I feel intoxicated. I feel like I am beautiful. But now that I am living here, I go for walks a lot. And I keep walking and thinking and thinking and feeling that I am growing stronger in spirit with every day that passes. I think I now know, Kostya, that what matters in our work, whether you act on the stage or write stories, what truly matters, it's not fame or fortune or glamour, not the things I used to dream about. It's how you endure things. How to bear with one's cross and have faith. I have faith now, Kostya, and I'm not suffering quite so much. And when I think of my vocation, I am not afraid of life.